located 9 miles west of.
Oh no. Sure.
Weather message. For the following county, Washington, Ohio, and Pleasant, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washington County in southeastern Ohio, northeastern Pleasant County in northwestern West Virginia, northwestern Tyler County in northern West Virginia, until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sistersville, Oregon, 10 miles south of Woodsfield, moving east-northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Baseball.
Source, trained weather spotters have reported wind damage and quarter-size hail with this storm. Seek shelter immediately. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pagan City, Sistersville, Matamoros, Friendly, Fly, New Matamoros, and Point Lookout. Prepare immediately for large hail, damaging winds, and frequent lightning. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page, or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX. For East Central and Southeast